of the day is going to be a donut nook. This one is $9 going 6 miles.
Yeah.
Next up, we've got a stacked 7-Eleven. This is $10 going 6 miles. Most of the mileage is driving to the store itself, so I'm assuming they're both ready by the time I get there. Hello.
Doordash, sir.
I like how she said, please don't knock, just message me and I'll meet you outside. And then I messaged her before I even pulled up to the apartment complex. Still had to search for her apartment because I have no idea where it is. And she still made me wait outside. Very nice. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is $8 going 5 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you. Just got the next order. This is a Wendy's, $9 going 6.5 miles. Well, that's kind of annoying. As soon as I pulled up to Wendy's, I got a better order that I'm gonna take. This is a McDonald's, $13 going 5 miles. Thank you. Oh, this one is in walking distance, this drop off. I could actually get there faster if I walked. Ooh, I probably should have done that, honestly. There you are.
Yeah, the code is 54.
Oh, do I need to go?
Yeah, I said so.
Oh, you're right. Okay, that one actually took a little bit longer than it should have because I went to the wrong apartments originally. And also, their instructions were not exactly accurate. They said their building was on the corner of these two streets, but I checked that building and it was not the right one. But whatever, still way better than that Wendy's was gonna be. Next order up is a kitchen table cafe. This one is $13 going 8.5 miles. Thank you. Careful with those, they're kind of flimsy.
Okay, that must be why they did 2 bags there.
Yeah. Got 'em?
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. Got this one right away, which is kind of unfortunate. There are a bunch of Halloween decorated houses that I wanted to show off, but I guess that's gonna have to wait. Got a stacked Starbucks. This is $9 going just under 4 miles. Thank you. Gotcha. Can I even go this way? Probably not. I don't think so. Hello, there you are. This one says, don't ring bell or knock, please. Also, please make sure there's no cinnamon on my drink. Yeah, that's got nothing to do with me. Going right back to Starbucks with this one. This is $7 going 3.5 miles. Thank you. Next order is a Burgerville. This is $7 going 3 miles. Hello. Yeah, for Jen.
I'm sorry.
Jen?
Jen?
Yeah.
DoorDash?
Yes.
Perfect. This is the yogurt and that's the hot foods.
Gotcha. Thank you. Oh, this is going to the hospital. This should be fun. There you are.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too.
Okay, I didn't even have to get out of my car and they came outside. That was actually a pleasant experience. What? Shout out to them. We got a Chick-fil-A, $8 going just under 4 miles.
Here's that one and then there's that.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. Yep. Have a good day. Got this one right away. It is Richland Hub, $8 going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Too. I'm gonna start heading home. If I don't get an order by the time I get there, then that'll be it. I'm actually surprised I was able to record a video today. This whole week has been very, very slow. Current time is 9:08. Total is gonna be 94. Not bad, actually. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.